If you've decided to delete your Pinterest account permanently and need some guidance, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to permanently delete your Pinterest account. Let's get started. First, open your Pinterest and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, after you've logged into your account, click on your profile icon. Here, you can simply tap on Account Management. Here you can find Delete Your Data and Account. Tap on it. Now, simply you need to click on Continue. You need to choose why you're leaving the Pinterest account. If you're sure you want to proceed, click on your reasons and click Continue and ask for email. Now Pinterest may ask you to enter your password to confirm the account closure. Enter your password in the provided field and click close account to confirm. This action will begin the process of deleting your Pinterest account. In some cases, Pinterest might send a verification email that you want to delete your account. Check your email inbox and follow any additional instruction if you receive such an email. And that's it. Your Pinterest account will be deactivated and scheduled for permanent deletion. Keep in mind that it might take a few days for your account and data to be fully removed from Pinterest servers. I hope this guide was helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.